Are you looking for some amazing movies and TV shows on your Fire Stick? Trying to get some good ones for free? Check this out. For starters, head over to the search icon on your Fire TV Stick and type in the word downloader. Click on downloader. I already own it, but it's going to ask me to download it and install it. It's going to ask you to get it and install it. Take a couple moments. Before we open it, we're going to need to jailbreak our Fire TV Stick. In order to jailbreak your Fire TV Stick, go back to the home screen, slide all the way across to the settings icon, come down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, come up to the About, click on it, and under My Fire TV Stick, click your select button multiple times. Down at the bottom, it says now, no need. I'm already a developer, and now so are you. Back up, hit developer options, turn on ADB debugging. Under install unknown apps, turn on downloader. And now our Fire Stick is jailbroken and is able to sideload applications onto the Fire Stick. Once we've done that, let's go find the downloader program we just downloaded. Go to the 4 squares plus sign, come down, find downloader, use the little 3-line button on your remote. You can move it to the front now, go back home, and now you have your shortcut of downloader to the front. And now I would definitely make sure you keep your streaming and online activity safe and get yourself a great little reliable VPN. I would suggest NordVPN. There's a description in the bottom, and I'm just going to turn on NordVPN here. It's going to give me some options. I'm going to choose United States, click on the United States, and we're now connected. And now our online activity is secure. Now let's go back to the home screen and open up Downloader. Downloader now needs to access media and files on our device, say allow, and then quick start guide, say OK. Now in this URL, we're just going to type in a short little number, 370178. This will go directly to the Led by the Unknown download page. There is a 5-second redirect. And once the redirect is finished and the page is opened, select the 3-line button on your remote again, and we can add this page to our favorites, so you don't have to wait anymore. You can just go right to the favorites there on the left of the panel and open up the download page. Now this download page has updates, what's new, what's the best applications available on your Fire Stick. And guys, like I said, get yourself a nice reliable VPN. This is already up on your TV screen now, so just get out your camera, take a snapshot of this QR code, and you get a great discount on NordVPN. Now guys, we continue down a little further, and now we have movies, TV shows, and live streaming. And we're just going to make this quick. Click on Fawesome, or F-Awesome, and down on the bottom right, click Install, and we click Done. We're going to delete the APK file because we no longer need it. You're good to go. Now let's go back to the home screen and find Fawesome. And click on the 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front again, go to the home screen, and there you go, guys. Fawesom's a relatively newer application, available on the Google Play Store and other app stores. As you can tell, we have some new arrivals, holiday movies, trending, cozy stuff, top 100 or best 100, true stories, actions, horror, westerns, discover. And on the side here, collections, shows, latest, and live TV for your Amazon Fire Stick. and of course, recommended. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another one, check out this next video, and take care. Peace.